Now we're going to look at this wood also. Now we're going to look at this wood also. We're just going to drill through this chipboard that I have already clamped down. I see there is two holes here. I'm just gonna drill next to them so that you don't say there was a hole already. Okay, let's okay, as you can see, I've managed to drill through. With the hole saw. This is a piece of the chipboard that we, you see, it drills with ease as long as it's anything that is wood. It can go through plastic as well, but it is meant for wood. As you can see, it goes through wood with ease. I was even drilling the wood underneath. You see.